Well, hello, mis amores. How are you today? Happy Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, or Friday. I don't know when you are watching this video, but today I'm going to show you my summer kind of makeup look, and I'm going to use the new Fenty Beauty Chicks Out, the new Not So New. I'm starting by prepping my skin. Everything is going to be really fast, and you guys can see my face. I'm so excited to use these two products. I'm going to use the blush, the cream brush, and also I'm going to use the cream bronzer. You guys, I cannot say anything more, just that I'm loving this, especially if you like to create a very soft natural makeup look. This is the go-to. If this is your first time watching my video, by the way, my name is Gina. I love to make beauty videos. I love to do reviews and demos on a lot of products. So if this is your jam, if you love this type of videos, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, and also don't forget to click the bell so you guys can get notifications every time I upload a new video. So you guys, I'm going to just leave you right here with this nice video. It's going to be very fast, and I'm showing you step by step what I'm using. You guys can tell. And yeah, one thing that I want to say to you guys is comment down below. Yes, comment down below what kind of makeup looks do you guys like. Comment down below que te gusta. Comenta en la cajita de abajo qué te gusta, qué tipo de maquillajes te gusta. Este video es en Spanglish, so vas a tener español e inglés al mismo tiempo. Y porque yo las quiero a todas las quiero por igual. I love all of you guys. I love all of you. I'm so glad that you guys like to come to my YouTube channel and watch my tutorials and all of that. So, tengo que darles un poquito a todas de ustedes, un poquito de amor a todas, porque me hacen súper feliz cuando ven mis videos. Y lo que más me hace feliz, what it makes me more happy, is when you guys comment on my videos. That makes me feel like awesome, the best of the best, and it also helped me to improve myself and to upload more videos and create more quality content for you guys. So yeah, you guys, I'm going to do this real quick, my brows and all of that, and yeah, keep it watching, enjoying. Alright, I'm back. Here is the part where I want to show you something, and I'm going to stop a little piece of my video, and I'm going to tell you what I think about my bronzer from Fenty Beauty. So this bronzer, it is beautiful, as you guys can tell. The coverage is really nice, and look how smooth it looks. It is a creamy, very easy to blend, very easy to apply. The color is very true, and when you pick your color, and it has like a little bit of shimmer in it. If you don't like bronzers with shimmer, which you can use this as a bronzer, but also you can use this as a contour if you want to, but I prefer to use it as a bronzer and highlighter at the same time, so it gives me like a very glow, natural look. You guys can tell it's very beautiful and natural. I highly recommend this beautiful, nice. I like it. The number that I'm using in as my bronzer is the number 5. And yeah, I'm just going to apply my blush. As you guys can see right here, I'm using the Strawberry Dip blush. As you guys can tell how pretty it looks. Look how beautiful it looks. It looks really pretty. So yeah, guys, that's all. I want to say thank you so much to pass by on my channel, and I'm going to leave you right here so you guys can check it out, the eye look that I'm going to create. Thank you so much to pass by on my channel. Like as I said before, gracias por venir a mi canal. Y recuerda, suscríbete, comenta, y lo mejor de todo es que le des un like. Compártelo si te gusta este tipo de videos de maquillaje y todo. Te quiero mucho. Love you guys so much. Bye bye.